CuroCell Area Zone is a newly developed mattress system and represents the next generation of mattress replacement for the healthcare sector. Based on our original and very successful CuroCell Area, this improved design continues to combine air with foam for effective pressure redistribution and further enhances the comfort level. CuroCell Area Zone is a flexible, self-adjusting and non-powered mattress system. It can be used in all kinds of healthcare settings and is very easy to handle. CuroCell Area Zone is especially designed to be used as an effective aid in prevention and treatment of pressure ulcers. The mattress addresses three important elements: pressure, shear and moisture. The system is self-adjusting and utilizes the patient's weight and movements to redistribute the pre-filled internal air reservoir to achieve constant low surface pressure. The zone system in the top mattress reinforces the pressure redistribution effect. The different layers within the mattress supplement the patient's body mobility, which reduces risk for negative shearing. With the built-in sloped heel section, the pressure is reduced in the heel area. CuroCell Area Zone comes with a removable elastic and flexible cover with welded seams. The soft and elastic material is vapor permeable, which means that the risk of skin maceration is reduced. The cover is easy to clean and handle and have a very well documented hygienic standard. CuroCell Area Zone has undergone extensive testing with very positive results. CuroCell Area Zone, an excellent combination of air and foam. CuroCell Area Zone is a mattress system designed and developed by Caro Sweden. We develop and market medical technology products and services for the healthcare. We are specialized in mattresses and seat cushions used in prevention and as an aid in treatment of pressure ulcers.